Did you know that over 75% of adults have some form of gum disease? That's a staggering number. If you're one of them, don't worry. Today we're diving into some natural methods to help you remove plaque and tartar fast, all without a dentist visit. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something super important, dental health. Keeping your teeth clean is crucial not just for that dazzling smile, but also for your overall health. A lot of folks think they need to visit the dentist every time they have a plaque problem, but guess what? There are plenty of natural ways to keep your teeth in tip-top shape right at home. So what exactly is plaque and tartar? Well, plaque is that sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth. If it's not removed, it hardens into tartar, which makes it way harder to get rid of. This buildup can lead to bad breath, gum disease, and even tooth loss if you're not careful. The sad truth is that many people neglect their oral hygiene, which can lead to some pretty serious health problems down the line. But don't fret. We're here to tackle this issue head-on and get you on the right path to a healthier mouth. Now let's explore some natural methods to combat plaque and tartar. First up, let's talk about your diet. Incorporating crunchy fruits and veggies like apples and carrots can really help scrub your teeth while you munch away. They're not just delicious, they're great for your smile too. Next, we have some fantastic natural remedies. Ever heard of baking soda? It's a superstar when it comes to neutralizing acids in your mouth and scrubbing away that pesky plaque. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to create a paste and brush your teeth gently with it. And don't forget about effective brushing techniques. Make sure you're brushing your teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and don't forget to get to those hard-to-reach areas. Flossing is essential too. Just a couple of minutes a day can make a big difference. Now here's a surprising tip you might not have heard before. Oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. It helps to draw out toxins and bacteria, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. It's super easy to do while you're getting ready in the morning. Just swish it around after you wake up, then spit it out and brush your teeth as usual. You'll notice a difference in no time. So, to wrap things up, we've covered some awesome natural methods for removing plaque and tartar. From munching on crunchy fruits and veggies to using baking soda and oil pulling, these tips can help you maintain a healthier mouth without the dentist. Remember, regular dental care is key to preventing plaque and tartar buildup, so make sure you stick with these habits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear your own tips for keeping teeth clean, so drop a comment below. And make sure you subscribe for more great content on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.